So here at the James Castle, I challenge anyone, male or female, alien, whatever you call yourself, to come to my house and I'll prove to you my car is much better than yours. So today what I have is, I got a buddy came over. He brought his Mustang, which has a supercharger on it, a bunch of other Mustang stuff, and all that kind of stuff. I'll let you look at it. So I told him I would have a Rev-Off with him, but I don't want to destroy his car, so I told him I'll let him, you know, give me a little rev here and there so that you can hear it, see it, and see what it sounds like, and then I'll rev mine and we'll see the difference. So go ahead, man. All right, all right, all right, all right. You heard that, didn't you? You can shut her down, Matt. What we got here is pure, unadulterated Honda Civic 2020, balls to the wall, 1.5 ass kicking, turbocharged power with a MAPerformance and an exhaust delete. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna have this very lovely woman in here. She's gonna take a video. Oh shit! Oh shit! She's killing him. She's killing him. She's killing him. Ooh. 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 What I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna put them side by side like that, and I'll let you be the decider of who wins this. Thank you. Oh my God, that's 100 million views right there. I think it's still videotaping me.